Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s and I'm gonna show you how to change image quality in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Here let's move to the left side and pick the settings button from the left to open the camera settings. And now we can find the picture quality option. When we tap here, we can decide to keep this on high, standard and low. And of course I suggest you to keep it on the best possible option, which is high. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.